Hey y'all, I had to get all the green tomatoes and everything. We're going to have 3 nights in a row below freezing. No, oh, what are you? Get out of here, you're big. Anyway, I had to get all my peppers, all my tomatoes. I was enjoying those tomatoes. Oh my gosh. I'm going to try to ripen them in the house. Have to lay them out. Okay, bye. Well, y'all, it's gonna freeze the next 3 nights. So I've got to pick all these green tomatoes and ripen them in the house. And I've got peppers. I just got to get them all. Let's see. Got to go over here. I gotta get all this. It's cool out here. I got long sleeves on. Gotta get all these peppers. There's not too many out here to have to pick. But my tomato plants, this one right here, ain't no tomatoes on it. Okra, that'll probably all be, this is my last day to pick for this year. I'm trying to see if there's any more cucumbers out here. Oh, it's pretty cool out here. It's gonna be freezing tonight. All these tomatoes in there, even though they're green, I gotta pick them. These are potatoes, and they're not gonna have time to make. And I'm gonna cover these. This is red cabbage, and this is white kale. Let's see. And this watermelon. There's a watermelon out here. That's gonna freeze too. There's 2 little watermelons. They're nowhere ready, you know. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. There's 3 nights they're gonna be freezing. And let's see what else I got left over here in the garden. I don't have a whole lot left. Well, these peas aren't going to make it. I had to cage this in because I had something eating it. Groundhog. And that lettuce not going to make it. I might cover it. See if it makes it. I don't know. It's going to get down like 25 and 30 and 26. These are sweet potatoes buried in here. I might try covering them. See if they'll make it. Because it's going to warm back up in the 80s next week. And there's Senna over there. What are you doing over there, Senna? Senna, don't go over there. No, Senna. Come back this way. Okay, I got to get to picking.